Benvenuti. Welcome to Italian for Beginners. I'm your Italian teacher Sara and today I am with angry Italian phrases. Italian practice lesson number 9. Let's begin our today's lesson. Its first word is vattene via. Go away. Vattene via. You can use this phrase when you are angry, okay? Now pause the video and practice it 1 or 2 times, okay? Vattene via, go away. Let's move on to our next phrase. I hope these videos are helpful for you. If you didn't subscribe to my channel, then must subscribe it for more helpful videos like this. Next one is non voglio parlare con te. Non voglio, I don't want, parlare, to talk, con te, to you. Con te means to you. Non voglio, I don't want, parlare, to talk. Non voglio parlare con te. You can say like this, non voglio parlare con te. When you're angry, you can use this phrase. Next one is, sei un idiota. Sei un idiota. You're an idiot. You are an idiot. Sei un idiota. You're an idiot. Next one is basta, enough. Basta, this is the simplest one you can remember today. And I hope you will remember this. Basta, enough. You can say like this, basta, enough, okay? In an angry emotion. Next one is mi fai arrabbiare. Mi fai arrabbiare. You are making me angry. Basically, arrabbiare means angry. Mi fai, you are making me angry. Mi fai arrabbiare. You are making me angry. Focus on the pronunciation of arrabbiare. Mi fai arrabbiare. If you want to practice it, then pause the video and practice it 1 or 2 times. Next one is non sopporto più questa situazione. Situazione, okay? Focus on the pronunciation. Situazione. Non sopporto più questa situazione. I can't stand this situation anymore. Situazione, okay? Situazione, più, anymore, questa, this, non sopporto, I can't stand, okay? I'll make short videos that you all don't get bored. That's why I'll make short lessons just for 5 minutes or 4 minutes, okay? Now, let's move on to our next phrase, angry phrase. You can use these phrases when you're angry and you want to show your emotions, okay? Let's move on. Next one is, che cosa vuoi da me? Che cosa vuoi da me? Che cosa, what do you, vuoi, want. Voglio, vuoi. Vuoi derived from voglio. Vuoi, want, da me, from me. Da, from, me, me. Me is same in Italian and in English. Next one is, lasciami in pace. Lasciami in pace. Leave me, lasciami. In pace, alone. You can also use lasciami, leave me. In pace, alone, okay? In pace, alone. Lasciami in pace. I'm again saying, if you didn't subscribe to my channel, then please subscribe it for more helpful videos like this. Languages with Sara. I hope you all like my lessons. Then please like them and comment on them. Thank you for watching. Ciao, a presto.